The next few slides are going to be about the control interfaces for a powered mobility system. So you have proportional versus non-proportional. So proportional control with a 360 directionality means that the chair moves in whichever direction that the joystick is displaced. The greater the displacement, the faster the chair moves. The joystick controls fewer degrees of movement with non-proportional control. So an important difference between the assessment for computer access versus powered wheelchair control is that the clinician needs to determine that the movement of the control interface used to control the powered wheelchair is safe as well as reliable. For example, the user must be able to initiate or cease a movement required because they are controlling a moving vehicle. So you have some switches. You have mechanical or electronic. Mechanical switches must be physically activated to initiate a control command. So they must be moved, pressed, touched, or released. Then you have capacitive switches, which do not require physical contact from the user. Then you have proximity switches, which activate when the user is close to the switch, but they don't necessarily have to be touching it. Then there is fiber optic switches, which emit an invisible beam that initiates an action when interrupted.